Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and I provide sessions related to IELTS regularly on my YouTube channel. But this session is not about me. It is totally about Kabir's preparation, the way he prepared for IELTS and that too only with online classes. It was his first attempt and he prepared everything online and we are going to ask him various questions today. He'll be answering and he'll share his experience with all of us. So let's get started. Kabir, how are you today?
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. I'm good,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Yeah. Okay. So are you all set for your study visa? When are you planning to move?
Yes, ma'am. I'm all set. I would say that I have achieved my band score. That I got an admission in Lambton College in a postgraduate course. So I will be flying in January as if VSF are closed right now.
Chaliye, I wish you best of luck for the same and do
Thank
inform me
you.
that time as
Yes,
well.
ma'am.
Okay. So Kabir, was it your first attempt?
Yes, ma'am. It was my first.
ओके सो इससे पहले मैं ये इसीलिए पूछ रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई हैव टोल्ड इट वाज हिज फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट बट was it like first attempt as in the sense you did not take any coaching anywhere earlier
No, ma'am.
कहीं पे भी खुद पढ़े थे थोड़े दिन या नहीं you just started here.
No, ma'am. I would say I have not. I have just seen thrice or twice your videos. I like your teaching style. So and the flash, the message flash that contact for personal classes that too in phase 7. So it was very suitable for me. So I just came to you directly. That
Okay, yeah,
it's
I
better.
remember he was the student. He wanted to join only offline classes, and he visited me a day prior to the lockdown. I
Yes,
remember. I believe 22nd March or
22nd.
yeah, 22nd only. I believe you came, and 23rd or 24th lockdown started. So, like he came a day prior. He wanted to start the class from the next day itself, and he couldn't join the offline classes. Then आपने कितना टाइम लिया कभी डिसाइड करने में कि मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट कर ही लेता हूँ.
Ma'am, to be honest with you, I would say it is around 2 months because I was not comfortable in online classes. I have some confusions or some restrictions, I would say, to myself only that. So
What
I
would you
was,
say now?
I would say that if you have discipline and if you are following a timetable, that online classes cannot meet or offline. So you should go for online only. Plus, if to be honest with you, I was working in hospitality. If priorly I would have known this, I would have never left my job because to be honest with you, I left this job because I was not able to get the time. I was working for 12 to 14 hours, but for 1.5 hour, I can easily spend in my office also, and
Hmm.
it
So
will
we
be very
usually have the
beneficial.
class every single night at 8 o'clock because the
Yeah.
students are from all across the globe. So 8 to 9:30 हमारी क्लास होती थी रोज. अगर मैं एक दिन एक ऐसे करा रही हूँ ऐसे ही 1.5 घंटे में कराना होता था. This is what we were talking. We were mainly focusing on the concepts and हर एक चीज डिटेल में समझाने की कोशिश होती थी. I know Kabir had certain inhibitions, but later on like as I'm saying कि total जो है dedication और we cannot take the two I cannot take the whole credit because it was the student as well. Kabir was a determined student. He was totally dedicated and he was like हर बार होता यही था कि every Saturday we have one-on-one session and हर एक Saturday को Kabir's question was this only, ma'am, will I be able to clear in this attempt? And I was confident about him. आई वॉज टोटली कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट हिम. मुझे पता था ये कर लेगा, पक्का करेगा ये स्टूडेंट. आई वॉज लाइक श्योर. बट बस ये था कि थोड़ा थोड़ा ना एक वो मोटिवेट करने की जरूरत होती थी जो कि इनिशियल वाले
हाँ जी, हाँ
सैटरडेज
जी.
में करना पड़ा था ज्यादा. 2 months के कोर्स में अराउंड लाइक फर्स्ट 4-5 weeks में आई वॉज लाइक काइंड ऑफ मोटिवेटिंग हिम अ लॉट बट देन ही डिड इट एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे we both are happy. Okay, so Kabir, now we are going to proceed further. You did not take any coaching, you just watched 3 to 4 videos. But,
Yes, ma'am.
like, what was your weakest module when you joined the online classes? What did you face? Like, what was your weakest module and what was the strongest one?
I found my listening is the strongest, but I also had a doubt that my speaking is good. But later on, I realized that it's not that good. So weakest, I would say that it was reading and writing. Ma'am, writing, I was not sure that I'm writing right or I'm writing wrong. What are my mistakes and what is the format of that? So
Because I was always giving you 5.5 or even 5 in writing. And
not even
I
5.
not even 5 at times, I remember, yes. But usually this is what we do. मतलब बहुत सारी mistakes दिख रही होती है कि ये भी point करो ये भी. every single comma you were putting wrong, although wala
हाँ जी,
formation, although wale sentence
although
formation was wrong. So I had to explain all this. So bas isi pe we were focusing, but yeah, he improved a lot at the end, and it's just because of practice, because he was practicing. I always tell this thing in the class as well, and I used to tell the same also. 65% role is of the students, 35% role मेरा है. I can tell you the techniques, I can explain you the strategies, but अगर आप अपना 65% नहीं कर रहे तो it's good for nothing. क्योंकि
no,
practice is most important thing.
but ma'am, your techniques are really useful, to be honest. There are many, you would say, YouTube videos and all on the net. But your techniques, I personally felt that on the exam date, I can't tell you that the first question was true and false and not given. So I was very much confused. So I left that question. On the last minute, I just saw that there is Dan written. I just wrote
Okay.
not given. So this is
So that
small, I would
technique
say.
worked.
So techniques. So there are many techniques, many other techniques, like in reading also. So that I
I remember
inculcated in
having
myself, and
a word with you a day prior to the exam, a
yeah,
day after the exam as well. He was an obedient student as well, I would say. So prior to the exam also, he called them day after the exam, day after speaking as well. So we had a word regularly, and this is what I tell to every single student now. If you are planning to, if your exam is on 19th, give me a call again on 17th. Okay, so that we can discuss something. I can motivate you because it really matters, है ना?
it
हम
really
बात
matters.
कर लेते हैं अपने मेंटोर से, सो वी लाइक यार मैं कर लूंगी या मैं कर लूंगा. मैं आई एम स्टिल इन वर्ड्स विद my educator, like who was there with me during my masters in English. So I still talk to her regularly because of all this only. It really helps. So
Hmm.
I'll also ask one more thing. Kabir, dekho, you knew that your weakest module was reading and writing. So writing के लिए तो you told कि ठीक है evaluations were there. What exactly you did? कैसे धीरे धीरे overcome हुई reading and writing?
Ma'am, to be honest with you, I would say that this course is only organized like in this structure that your every topic is covered. Like I was feeding most of the problem in headings, so I was so much confused. So the technique that you taught, and plus I would say that you also said that. So the practice. So I almost finished 15 books of Cambridge. So I also asked you then what should I do now, because I find Cambridge easier than any online books. I feel that. So you said no, keep on practicing Cambridge only. It's good, and I also believe now that Cambridge is the sufficient material that one can do. Secondly, I would say, ma'am, if we should trust you. If you are teaching and you are teaching us something techniques, so we should trust that. So there are little techniques that are very much helpful, like first do headings, then do true false, then do fill ups and also there are. So I just
Ascendant
followed that.
method basically.
Hanji.
Okay.
So I just did that, and at the end, I would say that initially I used to get 16 to 17, then it rose to 25 to 23. But in last days, I was getting 33, 32. So I was very much confident, to be honest with you, that at least I will achieve 6.5. I was that much sure, but my aim was that I should get 7 because I really worked hard. Every day I used to do 2 readings, so with a timer. So timing is very important again, I would say, very, very important.
Yes.
And
If you're not sending me the task after, like if you're writing the task in an hour, or if you're doing the reading in 1.5, so it's
that is no
better you
use.
don't send me the task or don't do reading at all. देखो
That
मैं
is no
हम
use.
हाँ,
That's a hard work, I would say.
that's hard work, and Sonam Sandhu never says that. I always say smart work, smart work, smart work, क्योंकि जब भी मैं एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करती हूँ, जो भी मैं करती हूँ या जो भी मैंने जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स को बताया वही मैं आप सब लोगों को बताती हूँ. So I have practiced all these things on myself. I have implemented the techniques on myself, and then only I have explained it to all the students. So I'll say yes, कैम्ब्रिज ओनली. मैं हमेशा एक ही चीज बोलती हूँ, क्लास में भी बच्चे पूछते हैं मैम क्या करूँ, तो आई ऑलवेज से कैम्ब्रिज, क्योंकि मतलब आई डोंट नो, आई लर्न एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम कैम्ब्रिज, एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई आल्सो टेल यू गाइस. मोरओवर कबीर इज टोटली राइट कि प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है, बट इन द गिवन टाइम. अगर आप लोग क्लासेस ले रहे हो, चाहे ऑफलाइन ले रहे हो ऑनलाइन ले रहे हो, अगर आप क्लासेस ले रहे हो और आप ऐसे 40 मिनट्स में करके नहीं दे रहे मुझे, वो आप 1 आवर में कर रहे हो, या फिर आपको क्लास में ऐसे लिखने के लिए बोला, आप चीटिंग करके लिख के दे रहे हो, कोई फायदा नहीं है उसका। आपको 40 मिनट्स डेडलाइन दिया तो उतना ही टाइम में लिखो, बिकॉज इन एग्जामिनेशन टाइम, लाइक ड्यूरिंग एग्जामिनेशन, यू विल नॉट बी गेटिंग इवन अ सिंगल मिनट एक्स्ट्रा. So you need to be prepared, and that too as per the conditions of the examination hall, and that's what Kabir did. And it really matters. Moreover, yes, techniques को थोड़ा थोड़ा modify करना पड़ता है. मुझे याद है कि there was a time when Kabir told कि मैम मेरी reading तो improve नहीं हो रही, बाकी सबकी हो रही है. Every single student said, "Ma'am, my reading is improving, mine is improving," and then came Kabir's turn, and he was like, "Ma'am, mine too is not improving." I remember the words as well, "Ma'am, mine too is not improving." So I was like कि मतलब वो एक होता है being a teacher, मैं totally determined थी कि कबीर की रीडिंग तो इम्प्रूव करानी ही है, कैसे भी करानी है. तो दैट वाज लाइक, वो कहते हैं ना, एक ब्लैक मार्क ऑन माय वो टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस कि यार इसकी क्यों नहीं हो रही, आई हैव टू डू एनीथिंग. सो मतलब मुझे ये था कि एक मतलब आई वाज टेकिंग इट, आई टेक एवरी स्टूडेंट सीरियसली, मोर ओवर दोज जो हार्ड वर्क करते हैं. मुझे पता था कि कबीर मेहनत बहुत कर रहा है, तो मुझे भी था कि मैं अपनी तरफ से जो बेस्ट करा सकती हूँ, तो इसलिए वोकैबुलरी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, जो भी चीजें थी मैं बता रही थी, एंड एट द एंड ही इम्प्रूव. बट यस, हिज हार्ड वर्क एंड मोर और लेस स्मार्ट वर्क पेड ऑफ रियली वेल. ओके, सो कबीर आगे ज्यादा स्ट्रेच ना करते हुए सबसे पहले आपका ओवरऑल स्कोर क्या है?
Overall score is 7, ma'am.
वेरी गुड. ओके, एंड मॉड्यूल वाइज?
So listening is 7.5, reading is 7, writing is 6, and speaking is 6.5.
He would have got 7 in speaking, I'm sure about it, but obviously there is no need of going for re-evaluation because he has already got 7 and
Yeah.
college में admission हो गया. Writing में I'm sure कि 6 ही आने थे, because कबीर writing में बहुत silly mistakes करता है. I am like कभी comma गलत होता है, although वाला sentence structure गलत होता है. Ideas इतने अच्छे हैं student के पास, बट बस आइडियाज को कैसे फ्रेम करना है वहां पे गड़बड़ हो जाती थी, वो बेसिक ग्रामर की वजह से. बट यस, he learned a lot, and 4.5 बैंड स्कोर भी दिए हुए हैं ना मैंने आपको राइटिंग में.
हाँ जी मैम, लास्ट में दिए दिनों में आपने, उस दिन ही खुश हुआ था मैं.
So yes, at the end अच्छा स्कोर दिया था, and he was like कि चलो शुक्र है. So it was good and it was really nice. Last, only one question, Kabir. What was the turning point in your preparation? What exactly was the turning point during the preparation, and you were like, yeah, I can achieve now, when you started getting more in reading and writing?
To be honest, ma'am, I now I realize that we start expecting within 5 days or 7 days our results. So the actual results comes after 20-25 days, to be honest with you.
So I always say, if a student is not improving in reading, मैं यही बोलती थी कि कबीर इतनी जल्दी नहीं होगा, 3 weeks का टाइम लेके चलो. 20 to 21 days रीडिंग को इम्प्रूव करने में लगता है, क्योंकि हमने कितने सालों से पढ़ा ही नहीं है ना. एंड यू नॉट इवन रेड एनीथिंग, नॉवल नहीं पढ़े, इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, बस सुन रहे हैं. बट अगर रीड करेंगे तभी तो रीडिंग इम्प्रूव होगी. सो आई बिलीव yeah, this thing came. And what about writing? Writing में grammar concepts के बाद?
Ma'am, writing, to be honest with you, I just read your sample answer, so I just got a structure how to write, because as you said that my ideas were right, I was just mixing the ideas
in
one
structure and in
lacking in structure. Yeah, so I feel that still I can improve. There's a lot of scope that I can improve, but I can't comment more on writing right now, but I can.
Okay, I can really understand, Kabir. So it was really nice talking to you, and बहुत अच्छा लगा आपका experience सुन के. Only one thing, like there are so many students in need now, जिन्हें आपकी और मेरी help की जरूरत है. First attempt में उन्हें score लाना है, तो वो कैसे score ला सकते हैं? क्या tip दोगे आप उन्हें?
Ma'am, I would say this only, that they should follow your timetable first of all. The timetable is very much important. So like they should do a paper in a day, like even if they are studying or they are doing a job, they need to spare a time to achieve a band, because otherwise they have to again give exam, and then also they have to work hard only. So there is no, I would say, shortcut for the hard work. So and like
so
there's a saying,
preparation, practice करनी पड़ेगी रोज.
Practice करनी पड़ेगी. And secondly, we can't make an omelette without breaking an egg. So yes, we have to I personally experience, if I talk about, like what one should do is that they should follow a book first of all. Like for writing also you have suggested a book, for reading also you have suggested a book, for speaking also you have suggested a book. So they should follow that book. They should follow the basic rules first of all, and then they should start inculcated them, and only then they will be able to achieve. Otherwise there's no
Okay.
shortcuts again. Yeah.
Okay. So now online classes are a yes or a
No, they are yes, ma'am. I would say that I don't suggest now offline, to be honest, because they are
Okay.
wastage of time. I'm sorry to say, but they are wastage of time in a way.
I also think so. I like you need not to be sorry to me because like I feel so good about it. Through online classes, I can teach any student. One of the students is in
And
Canada, the
then
other one is in Dubai. Numerous students all across the globe,
the
and I
globe.
can teach each one of them. So this is the best part. And they are learning, they are improving. What else they need to do? So thank you so much, Kabir, for sparing
Thank you.
your time with us. And I know you are really busy now. So
No,
we'll
no.
just get forward. Thank you so much and
Thank
best
you,
of
ma'am.
luck for your career.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.